Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode with Raza Cooks. Today we are going to make balushai or balushahi. Okay, so here we have all the ingredients that you need to make the balushahi. And so here we have the yogurt, we have almonds and pistachios, cardamom, salt, water, ghee, sugar, and plain flour. We'll do a full list of the ingredients as usual. Okay, so you will need to make sugar syrup. For that you will need a pot, and you will need 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. First we're going to make the dough. So here we have the flour, and we have baking powder. That's 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. A half teaspoon salt. First mix it dry. Then you add the ghee. Okay, so the ghee has been mixed in. Now we're going to add the yogurt. Okay, now add a little bit of water. So basically you need to mix it and not knead it. You don't have to knead it. Well, you don't want to knead it. Okay, so that's done now. You need to rest it for 15 minutes. Okay, so that's your sugar and your water. Okay, cardamom. The syrup is now ready, and when you cook it for 5 minutes, you will get to this consistency. Have a look. So you droplets in a slow motion like. So it's been 15 minutes. Now I'm going to start making balushai. Okay, so that's the shape you need. So it's a little bowl with a hole in the middle with your finger. Okay, so you put it into the oil like so, and you don't want the oil too hot because it's a dough and inside it's not going to get cooked properly. So you need to cook it slowly. Still cooking, getting brown on slow heat. They're nearly getting done, but you'll need continuously turning it around. It's overcrowded, as you can see. The best thing to do is to do half of that. we wanted to get it done in one go, so that's why it's too many in there. That's done now, so we'll take them out here first, then we'll put it into the sugar syrup. Okay, that's the sugar syrup. So you put that inside as much as you can fit in. So that's 6 there. So that's your balushai done. Come out really, really good. And in here you'll need 5 minutes each side in syrup. Your sugar syrup needs to be warm, not cold. As you can see, the syrup is quite thick, and if your syrup is not thick, then your balushai will come out soggy. So make sure it's not very watery. We turn the sides now, so another 5 minutes on this side. There you go. They come out really good. Tabarakallah. That's really nice. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and do share the video. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.